So this is the sound that they're saying they can't hear. That's not the sound of air. Yeah? That's not air. That's the sound of a motor. That noise shouldn't be there. Hear that? That's not the sound of air. That's the sound of a motor. Zzz. It's an electrical noise, mate. You can hear what you can hear in the background is air, isn't it? But then you can hear a humming. It's not a humming, it's like a buzzing sound. So when you put it down to 1, you can't feel any air. On 2, you can't hear hardly any air. But all you can hear is the fan. You shouldn't be hearing that.